We are looking at an elegant 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath oceanfront condo in the popular Costa de Oro area of Salinas. Costa de Oro is a quiet residential beachside community that's recently been seeing a lot of development. This condo features an open plan in the kitchen, living, dining area with sliding glass doors leading to a balcony where you have head-on ocean views. The spacious living room is outfitted with an L-shaped sofa, and in the dining room we have a table for 6. This floor plan is definitely large enough to allow for a bigger dining room if you wish. There is split air conditioning unit, and the open plan continues through here to the kitchen where we have a breakfast bar. And the kitchen completely outfitted, including an upright refrigerator freezer, counter-mounted stovetop, and an in-wall oven. Just off of the living area, we have a large bedroom with an ensuite bath. All 3 bathrooms in this unit are outfitted with stall showers, with tile work and custom glass doors. This bedroom is huge. Right now it just has a twin over twin bunk, but it's big enough for a king. It's a nice bright bedroom with a closet, split air conditioning unit, and while this is not considered the master, it essentially, due to its size and the ensuite bath, functions as a second master. From the living dining area, a hallway, which has a pantry system built in, leads us down past the front door, and we're going to see the other 2 bedrooms, the half bath, and the laundry area in this part of the house. First, we have the half bath with nice tile work. Right next to that, there's a laundry alcove that fits a tower washer dryer. Finally, at the end of the hallway, we'll see the master bedroom. Again, all of the bedrooms have split air conditioning units. This is a very large bedroom, currently outfitted with a king-sized bed. Just inside the door, we have the ensuite bath, which again has the stall shower with glass doors and a granite-topped vanity. I will pan around to take a second look here at this bedroom. And if we approach the window, you'll see that there is a nice diagonal ocean view. This also happens to be the sunrise view. One other great feature of the master bedroom is the large walk-in closet with mirrors and custom closet system. Finally, we'll take a look at the 3rd bedroom. It's slightly smaller than the other 2, but can easily accommodate a queen-size bed. Again, all 3 of these bedrooms have split air conditioning units and good-sized closets, and each of the bedrooms has an ensuite bath. Most of the furnishings and appliances are being included in this elegant condo. It's move-in ready, great condition, and best of all, it sits directly beachfront, so you can enjoy the sound of the waves and the beautiful head-on ocean views.